Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and give my honest review of this electric flycatcher bug zapper insect killer machine, which is mainly designed for home, kitchen, bedroom and indoor use. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging arrived in perfect condition with proper bubble wrapping, so the product is safe and undamaged. Earlier, I had ordered another brand of insect killer, but one lamp was not working, so returned that product and decided to try this one instead. So now let's see what comes inside the box. Inside you get the insect killer machine, two extra blue UV tubes and a pack of hooks. However, one important thing I noticed is that the product description mentioned a hanging belt, but I did not receive the hanging belt in my package. I am showing you the machine from all the sides by turning it around. On one side of the machine there is a simple on off button which makes it very easy to operate. This insect killer also comes with 6 months warranty support, but you need to register the product to activate the warranty. Now let's talk about how this machine works. It uses dual blue UV light tubes to attract mosquitoes, flies, moths and other flying insects. Once the insects comes close, they touch the high voltage electric grid inside and get eliminated instantly. And the best part is that this is a chemical free solution, so there are no harmful sprays or fumes, making it safer for indoor use. Let me now show you the night view. In the dark, the blue UV light glows clearly, and whenever an insect gets attracted and touches the grid, you can hear a zapping sound similar to a mosquito bite. Now coming to my honest review after using it. So if there are around 1000 mosquitoes in a room, maybe about 100 would die. So it may not completely remove all mosquitoes, but it definitely works well for bigger insects like flies and bugs, and you can clearly see that successfully traps them. And the zapping sound in the middle of night may hamper your sleep. So this was my honest review of this insect killer machine. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and useful videos. And if you're interested in buying this product, the purchase link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching.